Welcome to the Pacific Mountain Regional Council General Meeting for 2020, taking place using the platform Whova. In this tutorial, we're going to look at some of the ways we can build a little community during the meeting, even though the event is taking place online. So once you've logged into Whova on your computer, you're going to find yourself often coming to this home screen with the menu down the left-hand side. And so this time we're going to look at the community option in the menu. So if you click that, you'll see that there is a bunch of discussion options, topics that you can look at. And this, I'm hoping, will only grow from where we're at right now at the time of recording. So you can see here a list of discussion options. And for me, the ones I've not looked at yet, there's some new message notifications there for me as well. And if I'm interested in looking at a message, I'd click in here and I can see that Jake Highfield has created a topic and has some questions there. So if I was wanting and able to participate, I would type my message here at the bottom and then click send and participate in this chat. So these are going to change and evolve as we carry on, starting now through to the end of the meeting and beyond. And so there's a specific area for tech questions if folks have those, announcements from the organizers or questions for the organizers that aren't tech related. There's also anything business related thread already. So that's where you're going to want to put those kinds of questions and discussion items. And there's also an option for meetups and virtual meets. And there's another tutorial there about how you can create an online meeting. I encourage folks around a specific topic or just to hang out at a specific time online, that you can create meets for that. So there's a different tutorial you want to look at that. But otherwise, you'll find the list of community discussion topics going on here, and I encourage you to participate in the ones that are existing or create your own. And if you want to do that, just click up at the top here, add a topic or a social group, put the name of the topic, a little description if you want, and perhaps a question to start the conversation going, and click post. And then you can start a discussion about whatever it is you think folks are going to be interested in chatting about with you.